In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to create anchor links. We're going to create simple anchor links in Figma so that when someone clicks a button, like go to section 1, the prototype smoothly scrolls to that section, and the same for go to section 2. This is great for long pages, landing screens, or any layout where you want quick in-page navigation. Start by opening the Figma website and loading the file you're working on. Make sure your design is ready. That means your sections are laid out clearly in a single frame that can scroll vertically, and each section, like section 1 and section 2, is a distinct group or frame within that main frame. If your sections are on different pages or outside the scrollable frame, anchor behavior won't feel right in the prototype. Now switch to the Prototype tab in the right-hand sidebar. This is where we'll wire interactions. Click the element that should act as the link, for example, your Go to Section 1 button or text. You'll see a small circular plus icon appear on the right edge of the selection. Click that plus and drag the blue noodle to the target area, which is the Section 1 frame or group. When you release, Figma creates a connection between the trigger and that section. With that interaction selected, look at the interaction details in the sidebar. Set it so the action scrolls to the target, and in the animation settings, make sure it's animated with a duration of about 300 milliseconds. That timing provides a smooth, quick scroll that feels responsive without being jarring. If easing is available, a gentle ease in out works nicely, but the key is keeping the duration at roughly 300 milliseconds. Repeat the same process for Go to Section 2. Select the link element, drag the plus icon to the Section 2 area, and apply the same animated scroll with a 300 millisecond duration. Consistency here helps your prototype feel polished. When you're done wiring those links, click. Present to preview the prototype. In the presentation window, try clicking Go to Section 1 and watch it jump smoothly to that section. Do the same with Go to Section 2 to confirm it scrolls to the right spot. If the scroll lands slightly off, adjust the target layer's position or make sure the target section is fully inside the main scrollable frame. That's it. You've set up clean, smooth anchor links in Figma, perfect for navigating long designs with a professional feel.